Hi, boys and girls. It's story time with Meme Kates. And today I'm going to be reading a story called Marley's Big Adventure. And these are by John Grogan. Marley's Big Adventure. Marley woke up his family one morning with a ruff, ruff, ruff. Bad dog, Marley, said Daddy. It's too soon to wake up. Cassie and baby Louie were ready to play. Cassie jumped out of bed, but baby Louie couldn't get out of his crib. Marley stared at the crib. I'll get you out of that crib, he thought. Marley jumped into the crib. Then he hung baby Louie over the rail. Bad Marley, yelled Mommy. Baby Louie could get hurt. Daddy made breakfast. He flipped a pancake. Up flew the pancake. Oh boy, look. Up jumped Marley. He fetched the pancake in midair. Bad dog, Marley, yelled Daddy. Run and get dressed so we can go to the playground, Mommy said to Cassie. Marley ran to the kids' room. He pulled all the clothes from their drawers. Bad dog, Marley, yelled Cassie. Mommy put Marley outside. We need a break, she said. Marley howled. It was a sad sound. Maybe they don't love me now, he thought. Marley began to dig, and he dug until he could slip under the fence. Then Marley ran away. He ran past the school, the library, and the park. He ran far away from everything and everyone he loved. Oh. After a while, Cassie went to get Marley. Oh no, she cried, Marley is gone. Why did he run away? Asked Cassie. Doesn't he know we love him? Mommy hugged Cassie. We'll find him, she said. We'll tell him we love him. Marley was still running. He missed his family. His paws hurt from digging, and suddenly a wonderful smell stopped Marley in his tracks. It smelled better than dog chow, better than a bone, better than baby Louie's sticky face. Well, hello there, said the man inside the shop. Welcome to my bakery. Ooh, yummy. Marley licked the baker's face all over. My new home, he thought. The baker laughed. Good dog, he said. I had a dog like you once. The baker saw Marley's dog tag, and he knew this dog had run away. I'll call your owners as soon as I take these cookies out of the oven, said the baker. Be a good dog and guard the cookies, the baker said to Marley. And then he went to call Marley's family. Marley stared at the cookies. He sniffed at the cakes. Everything smelled so good. He started sniffing everything. Marley sniffed a bag of flour. Achoo! Marley sneezed. He jumped and bumped into the table. Flour, cakes, and cookies went everywhere. Then the baker came back. My cookies, my cakes, yelled the baker. And there was no answer at your home. Uh-oh. Marley gently set a cookie at the baker's feet. The baker scratched Marley's ears. You didn't mean to make a mess, he said kindly. Just then Marley's family ran by. They'd looked all over for Marley. Look at that mess, said Mommy. Suddenly they all stopped. They knew what that meant. Marley, they shouted. Mommy, Daddy, Cassie, and baby Louie ran inside the bakery and found their dog at last. We love you even if we yell, Mommy said. We love you even if you make a mess at our house, said Daddy. And of my bakery, said the baker. Everyone helped the baker clean up. Marley wagged his tail so hard he knocked over a chair. He wanted to help too. Look, cried Cassie. Marley's cleaning up all the broken cookies. Ruff, ruff, ruff. I know what that means, said Cassie. And we love you too, Marley. And that's the story, Marley's Big Adventure by John Grogan. I hope you enjoyed the book. See you later. Have a good night. Bye, Cameron.